All right, let's check back in with meteorologist Robert Suhr for your Get Ready weather forecast. Robert, we've been waiting for some relief from the heat, and I believe we're about to get it.
Yeah, we are about to get it, Brandon. We do have some much needed, comfortable weather that is on the way, which is thankfully good news for everybody. Lower humidity, cooler temperatures, but we got to get through some storms first, and we've got some storms out there. We'll show you those. We do have a severe thunderstorm warning that just popped up for portions of Johnson and Logan County. This storm will not last very long, but you can see a well-defined hail core there between Coal Hill and the Hartman area. So some brief heavy downpours, some winds gusting 50 to 60 miles an hour or so. And you can see that rain coming down in Clarksville, where it is really coming down across Interstate 40. But again, won't last very long. It will act to cool things off, but it'll make it extremely humid as soon as all of this rain rolls through portions of Johnson County. We haven't had a lot of rain, though, lately. But the good news is no change in the drought monitor from last week to this week. Everybody is still in pretty good shape, but that could really be changing because we look at 6 to 10 days out. Climate Prediction Center saying strong confidence in below average precipitation. This takes us through September 5th. We look 8 to 14 days out, still confidence in below average precipitation as well. So we're in a very dry stretch. It was dry all this past week, except for some of those very spotty showers. Most of us won't see any rain today. You can see in Lowell, we're nice and quiet. Sunny in Eureka Springs. Very nice in Fort Smith as well. But one or two of those thunderstorms are out there behind this cold front that continues to sag its way through south central portions of Arkansas and southeast Oklahoma. The worst of the weather is well to our east. That's where the most severe weather was expected today across northeast Arkansas and into the Boot Hill regions of Missouri. For us, it's just very widely scattered, isolated activity for the most part. Still warm, mostly in the lower 90s with a few upper 80s floating around. And you get into the River Valley, it's very, very warm. I don't know if I buy 107 in Hackett. I buy 103, 104, but 107, that's really, really warm. But where you're getting some of that rainfall, get a little bit of rain cooled air, which is a brief relief. Dew points, though, still very, very muggy. We're still behind the front. The driest air you can see, you got to get up to Nebraska, into Iowa. The drier air is about a day behind the front. So as we get into Sunday and especially Monday and Tuesday, things will really, really start to quiet out. You can see the scattered and sporadic nature of the shower activity ending by the time the sun sets. It'll be nice and quiet tonight, still warm, still a little bit muggy waking up tomorrow morning, but temperatures tomorrow not nearly as warm thanks to the northerly winds. Still the outside chance for a couple of evening showers or a weak thunderstorm tomorrow, and then waking up Monday morning, not too bad either. Temperatures 60s and 70s. Lows has on average tonight about where we've been, maybe a degree or two cooler, lower to mid 70s. And then tomorrow, temperatures really not too bad as we start to see that humidity start to come down as well. And there's the extended forecast. Impact day tomorrow. We've really trimmed the percentages back for that rainfall tomorrow. Rest of the week looks great with lots of sunshine, lower humidity values. We start to warm up as we get toward next weekend. Same thing in the River Valley. A little bit of rain tomorrow, and then a very nice and average week coming up for everybody. Stay with us. Cameron is back. She's going to have all your sports news right after the break.